Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic English Story World.
Writing a leave application is easy when you follow a simple format. I'll show you the steps your example so you can write it anytime. Format of leave application: 1. Date. 2. To whom you are writing: teacher, principal, boss. 3. Subject, reason for leave. 4. Greeting, respected sir, ma'am. 5. Reason for leave. 6. Leave duration. 7. Thank you line. 8. Your name and details. Example: leave application, school. 2. The class teacher, ABC school. Subject, application for leave. Respected sir, ma'am, I respectfully want to say that I am suffering from fever. The doctor has advised me to take rest. Therefore, I request you to kindly grant me leave for 2 days from the 12th of February to the 13th of February. I will complete my missed work after returning to school. Thank you. Yours obediently, Parth Savra, class roll number